What is up, researchers? We are in the home stretch. This video is going to show you how to format your research paper in Google Docs. So you can see my example here. We've got our introduction paragraph rolling, but it does not look like the scaffolding guide that I gave all of you, that double-sided guide that gives you the specifics on the font, the size, all that good stuff. So I'm going to start with this because I would imagine that a lot of you, this is what yours looks like, and I'll show you where to go from here. So first and foremost, we got to make sure there's a title. So we are going to name this Down Syndrome Research Paper. And first of all, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to double click into the header. And I know I'm in the header because it says header right here, but it's automatically going to put me on the left margin. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put myself at the right margin. The only thing I'm typing is my last name. Once I type my last name, I'm going to insert a page number. But I'm not going to type in page 1. I'm not going to type in the number 1. I'm going to go down here to where it says header and page number under insert. And I'm going to hover over page numbers, and I'm going to select the top left box. Basically what that does is it now numbers every page in my project, my paper. So the next page will automatically, and I'll show you here in a minute, it'll automatically say Faria and then number 2. But before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and create a little bit of space here for the title. And we'll name this Down Syndrome Research Paper. Let me see if I can spell research correctly. There we go. And the next step that I need to do before I move on to the second page is go ahead and get this double spaced. So the line spacing button up here gives me options. And I'm going to go ahead and click double. You can see that it lengthened what I have going on. Now, let's say I completed my introduction and I was ready to move on to the next section. The next section needs to be underlined. So section 1, just like it looks like in your disability scaffolding guide, section 1, the disability, has a heading. There it is. And this is acceptable. I'm in 12 font and I'm in Arial. I could switch to Times New Roman if I wanted to, but I don't have to. I can keep it on Arial. It's your preference, but those are your two options. Then I'm just going to keep going, indenting every paragraph. When I get to my next section, I'm ready to section 2, the person, and so forth and so on. Now, when I get to the second page, you'll notice it automatically updates my page number and it keeps my name there. That's MLA format. Remember I told you I was going to do MLA format. Oh, almost forgot. I need my heading. So the heading is right alignment, and I believe it was my name, and I want to say it was the date. And period number, and it might have been one other thing, I can't remember. Oh, Mr. Faria. There you go. So I've got my heading here, the student's name, the date, what period the student is in, the name of the teacher. This is all standard MLA format. So this is ready to go. It looks good, looks sharp. I'm ready to continue typing. So this is what you're going to be doing Monday and Tuesday.